Good morning, student. Now I am here continue to take you further into the lesson. Till yesterday, students, we have discussed. Till yesterday, we have discussed that what is the poverty estimation in India. Okay, what is the poverty estimation in India, and who are the vulnerable group of students of poverty. We have also discussed the interstate disparity of the poverty. हमने interstate disparity भी आपको बताया, लिख के जाना भी बताया, वीडियो में भी बताया. Today students we are going to discuss the cause of poverty, the reason of poverty. ठीक है. तो if you see students, India a country students which has been ruled by the British for almost 200 years, and during these 200 years we have not noticed any economic development of the country. The British students was not interested to make economically India a developed country. ठीक है. तो इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ड्यूरिंग दैट पीरियड, ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ब्रिटिश was very low of our country. That is why it could not get a maximum opportunity of employment in our country. तो पहला रीजन तो ये हो गया ब्रिटिश रूल इन आवर कंट्री स्टूडेंट्स, ब्रिटिश रूल को ही ले लें. तो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट रीजन और काउज ऑफ पॉवर्टी इन इंडिया. Besides students, if we see, even after independence, the economic development of our country was very slow, and that is why poverty remain in our country. Okay. And further students, Indian economy is based on agriculture. Almost more than the 50% of Indian peoples are dependent on agriculture for our livelihood. And agriculture students we see there, agriculture we notice there is dependent on monsoon or nature. That's why we see here that poverty remain continue in India. Next students, growing population is a major threat for the economy of the country. Growing population students, ठीक है. तो growing, if we talk about the growing population students, so we notice that this now our country became the second largest populated country of the world, that have 130 crore students, 130 crore of the total population. So with the increase of populations we could not mitigate them to the employment that cause the poverty in our country. ठीक है. Next students, if we see, we find there that lack of industrialization. देखिए आप हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है. तो यू फाइंड देयर दैट टू द अदर कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड industrializations came into 17th or 18th century, but India is a country students where the industrializations comes under the 20th century. Okay. So late arrival of industry in our country is also a major problem of poverty students in our country. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इनकम. ठीक है, अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हमारे देश में क्या है कि बिल्कुल अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इनकम है. आप जहाँ पे रहते हैं, आपके पड़ोसी के पास इनकम स्टूडेंट्स लाख रुपया पर मंथ है, आपको 1000 रुपया पर मंथ है ना. तो देयर इज अनइवन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इनकम इज आल्सो ए रीजन ऑफ पॉवर्टी. ठीक है. तो एक यह भी रीजन है पॉवर्टी का हमारे देश में कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ जो इनकम है स्टूडेंट्स वो अनइवन है. ठीक है. और उसके बाद स्टूडेंट्स इलिटरेसी को भी ले सकते हैं कि स्टिल इन इंडिया स्टूडेंट्स, still in India 30%, almost 30% of the people. Now you can see students that economy of India is why poor, because it has been ruled by the British, which has not developed the economy of the country. That is the main reason of poverty in our country students. Besides if we see, so India is the most populated country of the world. Population explosion in India is another reason of poverty. And the very same time, students, it is agricultural based economy. Our country have agricultural based economy which is students dependent on nature. Why means that is why it is poor, है ना. And if we see that due to the higher populations there is the lack of job opportunity, the people are not able to student get the proper job. And in case if they are able to get the job, students, they are casual worker which is not permanent and regular, they don't get a regular job, students, which make them poor. It is also a reason of poverty. You have already students means written in your notes, है ना, due to the irregular employment, students, cause the poverty in country. If you say here that maximum people, देखिए आप यहाँ पे 3 है, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं, तो maximum people, students, are poor. It is because they have very small land holding. Their land is too small for the modern agriculture, and that is why they are not able to get the maximum productions, and that is why they are forced to live under the poverty. That is why, students, है ना. So these are the फिर unequal means students distributions you can see, है ना. The unequal distributions of sources is also a cause, students, which make them indebtedness, है ना. Most of the people get loan from the higher rate of the money lender, है ना, means landlord, and that is why a large amount of his income, large amount of his means a student saving goes for the interest. That is why it is cause of the poverty. You can see, students, low economic growth during the colonial rule, populations, lack of job opportunity, irregular law payings employment, inequalities in distribution of resources, and indebtedness are the main reason of poverty, students. Okay, now come to the video. People is illiterate and they are forced to do the manual work, and due to that manual work, students, we find that they are not able to make a better lifestyle, a better earning, that force them to remain in poverty, और इससे जो है वो पोवर्टी में रहने के लिए फोर्स हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो दिस ऑल आर द काउज ऑफ पोवर्टी. ये सारा का सारा जो है वो काउज ऑफ पोवर्टी है ना. इन आवर नेक्स्ट वीडियो, स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल सी एंटी पोवर्टी मेजरमेंट. लास्ट वीडियो होगा एंटी पोवर्टी मेजरमेंट, कि सरकार ने जो है वो एंटी पोवर्टी मेजरमेंट के तहत क्या लिया है. ठीक है, दैट विल बी डिस्कस स्टूडेंट्स इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, और ये सारा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे. ओके, हैव ए नाइस डे.